Air Force Silas TV here again. Another day at the park. This is what it's like here at the park. Yeah. Off those tin there you see on the ground there, I just taken off from up there. And the tree removal guy is here again. And here he is up there. They say this thing is 75 feet from ground to up there, 75 feet. That looks like 100 feet to me.
It's like 100.
Yeah.
Yeah, I agree with you.
Now he's gonna tie somewhere.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, he's gonna knock the top off. Wow.
Better him than me.
So he's tied on the other tree, but that top won't break the other tree down.
Yeah, he's tying it on the other tree.
So you won't, the other tree, you won't break the other tree down.
I don't know. It could. Could snap it off.
Whoa.
I don't know where that guy is. I haven't seen him for a couple of days.
He's there. He's inside the trailer.
Is he?
Yeah. Yeah, this is a tall one. I don't know how tall the tree is. That tree is like 100 or something.
I'd guess it.
100 and something feet.
I would guess 100. Okay, so they got it tied off, plus they got a rope on it. Okay.
Yeah, so they got a rope on it, and they're gonna
Yeah.
pull it with the machine,
Yeah.
hold it, because your strength cannot pull that thing. That thing will pull you down.
Two things could happen. Maybe 3 people go in the air.
Yeah. Right. So
Yeah. Okay.
yeah, so they pull it on the machine, tie it on the machine there.
Yeah, yeah. And put some pressure on it.
That's crazy.
Crazy business. Crazy business.
It's dangerous job, eh? It's not easy.
No, thank you.
I think no job is easy. I tell people no job is easy.
No, nothing's ever easy. There is no such thing.
That's an easy job.
If it's easy, it's not a job.
That's right. So with my neighbor here,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah, we are watching the scene
Yeah, we're
of the cutting of this tree here and how it's gonna fall. Okay, let's go back to our tree. Look like he's gonna cut the other tree bough.
Well, maybe.
Oh, that's why he tied it. That's why. See?
Well, I can see why you would do that,
And now he's letting it down slowly. Wow. It's very interesting. He might fire me now and say, oh, you're not doing your work.
Wow.
That's why they call it tree removal, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, I ain't see nobody better than these guys right now. The kind of trees that I see these men take away from house close by. I see many trees on YouTube taking down and people mash down people's house and
Yeah.
But these guys never end up in that situation yet.
No, they don't take that chance.
No, that's why he bought the machine.
Yeah.
Wow.
I don't know if that battery on that trailer is going to take any more
Oh,
time. Sitting on zero. Imagine if I would charge up to completely dead. I don't know.
it didn't go up?
We had it on all night.
Battery maybe run down. This is the tree removal, guys. If you want your tree to remove from your house, you just call these guys here. Yeah. And that's the number that you can reach them by. This is it, the tree removal guy. Yeah, Kunel Tree Removal. That's the number, 747-0333 255-1460. Area code is 250. That's my neighbor there in here. Now we're gonna see how they cut this tree here. This was really something to look at. So this tall tree here, you see how tall this tree is? It's probably over 100 or something feet. Maybe 100 feet tree. This one is very tall. Let's see. That guy, I tell you, he's fearless. When it comes to height and things like that, he's fearless. You see, when he was younger, he used to go from tree to tree with just a rope. But now he gets old, he uses a machine now. Otherwise he use rope and go from one tree to the other tree. This is hilarious, man. I tell you, this man is fearless. on that one. Maybe he's gonna take the bow off that one. Thought he was gonna take the big tree first. I think he's about to cut this one. He's about to cut that one bow off now. So you're gonna see. Make sure going in a good position that it won't hit him when it fall. Show them where it's gonna fall. Goes on the ground down there. The undercut. Now he's gonna do the back cut now. There it goes. Here it goes. Bam! Wow! Down it goes, man. Yes, got it all on. No. Are you gonna fall the whole one now by itself? Are you gonna cut it piece? The whole thing? Oh. Well, I got piece there, so he's gonna fall the whole tree, but I need to go back to work now. All right, so guys, there you have it. So don't forget, guys, to share, like, and to subscribe to Silas TV. Yeah, got it here. Another day at the trailer park, doing some cleaning up here. As you see, we are cleaning up this park here, taking out some trees and things like that. So they're cleaning up the park, as you can see. Yes, so that was beautifully done. Wonderfully done. Man, it was great. So now he's coming down and he's gonna fall the other tree. I tell you, man. Wow. So there you have it here. So if you want to remove your tree here in Quesnel and around the surrounding Caribou area, don't forget, man, you just call tree removal guy. They will come and remove your trees for you. If your tree is in a dangerous spot, don't worry about the danger. They will come and remove it for you. All right, you just give them a call and they will come and remove your tree for you. So see you in the next video as we continue this one. All right, I think he's gonna cut in that one now, so let's see. Let's see how this one gonna fall. These guys are very no. All right, so I go back to work. I did not cut in that right now, so maybe I'll catch it later.